One, 1D, 1C I have completed.
You were in exercise 1D.
Okay, 1D.
Okay, tell me up to which question you have solved?
Till 6 numbers.
Okay, till 6 number you have completed. So in 7 number
Yes.
you are feeling some problem?
Yes, the number.
Arpit? Are you listening? Are you listening now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So from 7 will begin. From 7 will begin. Question number 7 will begin. So let me take you on the screen on the whiteboard, and I am also having book that page exercise 1D. Let me take you here on the whiteboard. Okay. Now we have come here.
Yes, sir. Right.
So at the right side, question is also is here at the right side.
Sir, but question I cannot see.
You are not able to see question.
Yes, on the whiteboard I am seeing.
Oh, only you are able to see whiteboard. Okay. Then let me do one thing. 1 minute. You are able to see only whiteboard, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem.
I
That
cannot see the question.
let me go on screen. Now are you able to see?
Yes, yes, yes. Now I am able to see the question. In the right side.
Yeah, right side exercise 1D page I have put here. I have attached here so that we can see question also, and we'll solve here. We will solve here. In this area we will solve.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So let us begin from question number 7. Okay. In question number 7, what is written? Okay. Tell me, Arpit. Up to question number 6, you do not have any problem. Up to 6, you don't have any problem. Up to you have solved.
I am thinking you have taught me till 5 only.
So let us begin then from 6.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, let me confirm that. Is there any problem regarding my voice clarity? Are you facing any problem?
No, no, sir.
Okay.
The voice is coming.
Very good. So let us begin. In question number 6, we'll begin. What is written in question number 6? A fruit seller has, let me read out. A fruit seller has 10.5 kg of apples, 12 kg of pears, 5 kg of cherries, and 6.5 kg of mangoes. What is the total weight of the fruits in milligrams? So we have to find out answer in milligrams. So how we will solve? Let us see here. First you write here. Okay, you can, whatever I am writing here, you have to write it down in your copy also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I am solving here.
So in MSc class, my network issue, I have problems, sir, in MSc class.
In MSc class, what problem you had?
Sir, but I have written all, means network problem is there.
Okay, no problem. You can see the video. I already have uploaded.
I've seen.
You have seen. Even then you have problem.
No, sir, but I have written in that online class only.
Okay, then what is the problem?
I'm telling that in a next class, means I am going back.
Okay, now let us solve this question number 6. Okay, first you write a fruit seller has apples is equal to, right answer. A fruit, is it very small? Are you able to see whatever I am writing? Is it very small on the whiteboard? If it is small, then I will make it large.
No, sir, I can see. It's fruit.
Okay, very good. A fruit seller
Right?
a fruit seller has apples how much?
10.5 kg.
Okay, so write 10. First we are arranging. Okay, first 10.5 kg, 10.5 kg, then pears.
Sir, then here is 12 kg.
Pears is equal to 12 points. Okay, 12 kgs. Pears is equal to 12 kgs. Okay, after that, cherries.
After that
Cherries.
is 5 kg.
Cherries 5 kgs. Okay, cherry 5 kg. Then mangoes.
After that,
Mangoes.
yes, sir, mango 6.5 kg.
Mangoes is equal to 6.5
5 kg.
kgs.
Yes, sir, 6.5 kg.
So first we will take out total weight. Okay, first we will
Total weight.
Yeah, first we will make out total weight. So I am writing total weight.
Oh.
Why are you drawing?
Sir, by mistake it has been touched by pencil.
Concentrate,
I am doing it
you will get stick.
Sir,
Total weight is equal to, then we have to add all those things. Total weight of the fruits, total weight of the fruits, total weights of fruits is equal to
or
total weight of the fruits.
so that you have written or.
What I have written?
Or.
Total weight of the fruits. Okay, that is typing mistake.
Yes, sir.
Make it correct. You write. You
I
have
have
to
written
write.
off.
Okay, very good. I'm making it correct here.
Yes, sir.
So now we have to add. Okay, whatever we have got, we have to add here. We have to add 10.5 plus 12 plus 5 plus 6 kg. Then we will change it into milligrams. Okay, first we have to add all these. So let us add. First write 10.5 plus
12 kg.
plus 12, yes, then plus
5
5,
kg. Then, sir, 6.5 kg.
6.5 kg. Very good. 6.5 kg.
5 kg.
6.5 kg. Okay. Is equal to how much? How much it will become? It will become 34 kg. If you will add it, it will become 34 kg. Okay. You can add like that also. Okay. 10.5, 6.5.
Sir, 33 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes, sir, 34.0.
Yeah, 34.0. So you have to write 34 kg. Understood?
34 kg.
34
Yes, sir.
kg. Now what we need to do? Now we have to change it into milligram. So how we will change into milligram? We have to multiply 2 times with 1000. We have
Yes,
to
sir.
multiply 2 times with 1000. 34 into 1000 and into 1000. It will become mg. Okay.
Yes.
So what we need to do? 34 into
Sir, 34 into 60.
34 into 1000 again into 1000. That is, you need to mention mg, means milligram.
Milligram.
Okay. So how it will become? How much it will become? It will become
Sir, 34. 1, 2,
ones,
3, 4,
tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, then 10
3
lakh,
crore.
then crore,
3
3
crore.
crore 40 lakh.
No, yes, sir, 3 crore 40 lakhs.
Okay, so write 3 crore 40 lakhs. 3 crore
Sir, I have written.
50. Very good. 3 crore 40 lakhs is the correct answer. Okay.
Yes,
Here you need to write milligram. Here you write milligram. Answer should be in milligram. mg you write. This is the answer. This is
sir,
answer.
1 0 extra.
What did you say?
1 0 extra you have put in.
I have put 10 extra. Yes. I have put 10 extra. So let us delete this one. So now this is the answer. This is the answer of
Yes,
question
sir.
number 6. This is the answer of question number 6. So question number 6. Did you feel any problem, any difficulty?
No, sir. I have made also.
Okay, very good. So now I am going to solve question number 7. Very good.
Okay.
Now I am going to make question number 7. So let us read out first question number 7. What
Sir,
drawing?
can you see mine?
What did you say, Arpit?
Sir, can you see mine? I have also written in my copy. See?
Yeah, I am able to see.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us complete question number 7. Now we have question number 7. Let us try to understand question number 7 first. The number of refrigerators produced in a year was 25,43,163. Out of these, 16,43,078 were sold. Okay. How many were still left? So it's very easy. You just need to subtract, I think. So first you write number of refrigerators produced. First you write number of refrigerators. Numbers of refrigerators produced. Number of refrigerators produced is equal to how much? 25 lakh 43,000.
163.
25 lakh 43,000.
163.
163. Okay, in this way you have to arrange the question.
Out of these, it were sold.
Then what question is written? Out of these, 16 lakh 43,078 were sold. So how much sold? Number of refrigerators sold. You write next line, refrigerators sold.
Okay, sir.
Refrigerator sold. Sold is equal to 16. 15,43,078.
78. Okay, sir.
Now what we need to do? Number of refrigerators left. So left you write only. So left refrigerators or refrigerators left. Refrigerators left.
Then minus, subtract.
Refrigerators left is equal to. So you have to minus 25,43,163 minus 16,43,078. How much it will become?
So it will become so it will become 9,85,000. 9,85,000.
Let me check. Let me make out also.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it will become 9,85,000. Yes. So it will become 9 lakh.
9,85,000 refrigerators.
Yes, 9,85,000 refrigerators. Only this much you can write. So this one also we have solved.
Yes, sir.
Now come to question number 8 now. Because math was completely left now. We were not studying maths. So today I thought that when I will begin the online classes, so I will teach you math also. So these are the words problems. So words problem will be solved like that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You have to arrange in a sentence, then you have to solve. Okay, then read out question number 9 and we'll try to understand. Question number 8, I think. Question number 8 we have not completed.
Mr. Sinha has rupees 10 lakhs with him. He purchased a refrigerator for rupees 22,575, a laptop for rupees 70,293, and a car for rupees 6,94,670. How much money is left with him?
Okay, then what we need to do in this question, we have to find out all those things. Okay, first you write how much money has spent on refrigerator. So money spent on refrigerator is equal to 22,575, right?
Sir, first we have to write Mr. Sinha has rupees 10 lakhs.
No, you have to solve like that. It is written now, Mr. Sinha has 10 lakh, then he purchased a refrigerator spending this much, a laptop this much, and a car this much. How much money is left with him? So we'll solve like that. Money spent on refrigerators, we are making short. Okay, money spent on refrigerator.
$22,575. Then sir, money spent off laptop.
Money spent on refrigerators is equal to, on refrigerators, first tell me, on refrigerators.
22,575.
22,575.
575.
Okay, this much money has been
Then money
spent on
off
money spent on laptop. Now you
Yes,
write
sir.
money spent
on laptop.
money spent on laptop
is equal to 70,293.
70,293. Okay, 70,293.
Then money
Then
spent on car.
money spent
on car.
Yes, right. Money spent on car. Money spent on cars.
60,43,078.
Yeah, 694,670. Okay.
Yes, sir.
694,694.
So this three we have to add, and then what will be the answer? Then from that we have to subtract in 10 lakhs.
Correct. Very good. You understood now. First, we have to add
That's
total
the
money
answer.
spent. First, we have to make total. T-O-T-L, total money spent. Total money spent is equal to, we have to add. If we will add, then how much it will become?
I'm adding only.
Okay.
078.
So by the time we can add here also, I am going to make it in a separate line.
Okay, sir.
We can add here. Hmm.
17,35,946.
Yes, 5, 3. Let me add here with pencil.
Sir, I have got the answer. 17,35,946.
Okay.
Then I will do the minus.
Very good. You have got answer. So we will write here answer. Okay.
Yes, sir. 17 lakh
70,87,000. Nah.
Yes. Sir, not 70, 17. Sir, 17, 17.
It will become 7,87,000. Nah. How you
Yes.
have
17 lakh 35,946.
okay, one I am missing. One I am missing.
Sir, 1643 is there.
Let us
Money
add
spent
9.
on car. Sir, money spent on car is 16 lakh 43,078. But you have written there wrong.
Okay, that's why we are getting wrong answer. Money spent
Yes,
on
sir.
car 694,670. 694,670. This is correct. Money spent on
No,
car.
sir.
In
Money
the book,
spent on car is 1643,078.
but in the book it is written 6,094,000. 6,94,000. Show me the book. Here you see here book. I am pointing out. Are you able to see?
Yes, sir, I have found. 6 lakh. I have seen that 7 number.
No. You are making mistake then. Then you are making
sir.
mistake, Arpit. So answer would be how much answer it will come. So let me add here so that you will not have any confusion.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Add here 5, 3, 8. So we will write here 8. I'm going to write here 8. Then 7, 7, 14 and 14 and 9. How much it will become? Add here 9, 9, 7, 16. 16 and 7.
23, then
Yes,
7, 8, 9,
23.
10.
Then 3 will be here and 2 will be carry over. So you write 2 here, 2, 5, 7, 7 to 9, and 9 and 4, 13. Then you write 3 here.
Will be 7 lakh. Sir, answer will be 7 lakh 87,538.
That is correct. That is correct.
Okay, sir. This is the answer. And now we have to subtract with 10 lakhs.
Yes. Okay. Now you have got correct answer.
Yes, sir. That time I have seen 7 numbers.
I have thought, why do you speak like that? I have thought you need to
Yes,
speak.
I have seen, I am telling.
Okay. So let me write correct answer here first. It was very easy and we have taken too much time on this. 7,87,538. This is the answer. Okay, now what we need to do?
Then sir, now we have to subtract with 10 lakh.
Yes, Mr. Sinha has, in the beginning it is written here, question number 8. Mr. Sinha has rupees 10 lakh with him. So Mr. Sinha has still 10 lakh. So that we need to write in sentence. Mr. Sinha has Mr. Sinha has is equal to how much money? Mr. Sinha has 10 lakh.
Yes, sir, 10 lakh.
And money spent 7 lakh. Okay, money spent.
Sir, answer will be 2,12,461.
How much did you say? Repeat again.
Sir, 2,12,461.
No, I think this is
Yes, sir,
wrong.
that is only the answer. See?
See, we are solving now. See what answer we get. See here. Mr. Sinha has 10 lakh and money spent. How much money he has spent? Answer we have got here. 78. This one.
758.
787538. 787538. 538. Now what we need to do? We need to, subtract. Now we need to subtract. Money left. Okay, money left.
With him. Sir, answer is 2,12,461.
Now we have to subtract. Okay. Now what we need to do? Now we have to subtract. So if you will subtract here, how many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits are here. So let me make it, let me put in the correct place so that we can write in a proper way.
Easily understood.
So subtract, how much you have found?
Sir,
10
then
minus 8 is
9
equal to
is
9.
1. Sir, 1. Here it will 1. Sir, your voice is not coming.
My voice is not coming. Why?
Coming. Sir, it will be 1. Because 9 minus 8 is 1.
Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, and 10 lakh. Okay.
Yes, sir. 1 10, then in second number 1 10, 100,000, 10,000 lakh only.
So subtract, how much it will become? Tell me your answer.
Sir, 2,12,461.
2,12,462, I think.
No, sir, 461.
Okay. Let me check.
Yes, sir.
Let me check on calculator. Minus 7875. You have made wrong answer, Arpit. Now answer is coming 2,12,462. How you are subtracting?
10 minus 8 is 2.
How are you subtracting? You don't know how to subtract.
It will become.
This is the answer. Okay.
Yes, sir, 462. One mistake I have done one.
Then
10 minus 8. Yes.
then you have made mistake and you are making me confused also. That's why I'm telling you math problem you have to solve in a very nice way and properly with cool mind. Otherwise you will make some mistakes in that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
First read out the question, then try to understand, then slowly we have to solve. Not in a hurry way. Okay. Then let us come to question number 9. Question number 9. Now tell me question number 9. A garment factory.
A garment factory. Yes, sir. A garment factory sold good worth 8,23,506 rupees. In the month of March, the sale proceeds for the first 2 weeks were rupees 2,03,456 and rupees 1,93,234. What was the sale produce of the last 2 weeks?
Okay, so we have to arrange first. So first we will write sale proceeds for first week. Right, sale proceeds for first week.
Yes, sir. Okay.
For first week.
Completed.
Is equal to how much? 2,03,000.
Oh, sir, 8 lakh is there now. 8 lakh. What
Sale
is that?
proceed for first week. First week you see first.
2,03,456.
Yes, 2 lakh. 2 lakh.
3,456.
Okay, you write here 2 lakh. 203.
Yes, sir. 2,03,456.
456. Then after that, next line we have to arrange sale proceeds for second week. Now write sale proceeds for second week. Sale proceeds
For second week. The return is 1,93,234.
okay.
1,93,234.
Don't make hesitation. Okay, write slowly and nicely. You write 193,234. 193,234.
234. Yes, sir.
Okay, then sale proceeds for 2 weeks means we have to add.
Yes, sir. Add. But
Sale.
sir, here what is the given? A garment factory sold goods worth 8,23,506.
First few question try to understand, then solve it. It would be very easy for you. By the way, answer is very easy. Okay, Arpit.
Yes, sir.
So we have to find out sale proceeds for 2 weeks. So we have to add these, first week on the second week. So how much it will become? Tell me.
I'm adding only. No,
Okay, you add.
Sir, 3,96,690.
3,96,690. Okay, this one is correct. 396,690. 396.
690.
690. 690.
396,690.
Very good. Now what we need to do? Sale proceeds for last 2 weeks. Now we have to find out. So in that, what we need to do? That sale proceeds for the months of March and sale proceeds for 2 weeks. We have to subtract. Okay, we have to subtract. Then we'll find out the correct answer. So sale proceeds for last 2 weeks. I say. Sale proceeds.
8,23,000.
Sale proceeds for last 2 weeks.
Last 2 weeks. Yes, sir. Completed.
Yes, is equal to what you need to do here. Sales proceeds for the month of March. You have to subtract with sale proceeds for 2 weeks. Okay, that also you can write for better understanding right here. Sale proceeds for months of March,
For months of March. Yes, sir. Then
subtracted by sale proceeds for the weeks.
sir, only 8 seconds is there.
8 seconds.
Yes, sir. For meeting as engaged.
Okay, no problem. We just need to subtract an answer. We will be able to find out the answer. No, not only 8 seconds is
Yes, sir.
left. I'm not showing any messages.
Sir, but only 40 minutes, 19, 20 seconds is there. Now.
Okay. Then no problem. You just need to subtract. Okay, you have to subtract 8,23,566 minus 3,96,690. Then you will get the answer. Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Whatever time is there, by the time you will try to solve.
Okay, sir.
Now solve.
Minus we have to do.
Yes.
Okay.
First, you write that number also 823506. Subtracted by 396,690 is equal to how much you will get. You just subtract and you will get the answer.
Yes, sir.
4,26,816.
693. Yes, now I will check.
426,816. This is the answer.
40, yes. 42 lakh 60, no. 4,268,016.
What answer you have got? Tell me.
42 lakh 668.
4,26,000. 4 lakh.
26,000.
Yes, 4,26,816. Okay, so today we have completed. Very good. Today we have completed question number 6, 7, 8, and 9. So today we have completed question number 6, 7, and 9, 7, 8, and 9. And this video is being recorded also. So you will get the solution also. After the class, you will get in YouTube also. For better understanding, you can see again and again. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So, okay, then bye. We'll meet our next class.
Okay, sir.
Okay, bye.